Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will explain how the US dropped the atomic bomb on Japan. The decision to use this new weapon was made during World War II to bring a swift end to the conflict. The United States had developed two types of atomic bombs through the Manhattan Project. These powerful weapons were then deployed against two Japanese cities to force a surrender. On August 6th, the B-29 Superfortress bomber named Enola Gay took off from Tinian Island. It carried the Little Boy atomic bomb, a uranium-based weapon. The bomb was dropped on Hiroshima, a major Japanese military and logistics base. It detonated about 1,800 feet above the city, causing immense destruction and an estimated 70,000 immediate deaths. Many more died later from injuries and radiation. Just 3 days later, on August 9th, a second atomic bomb, code-named Fat Man, was deployed. This plutonium-based weapon was carried by the B-29 bomber Boxcar. Its primary target was Kokura, but heavy cloud cover forced a diversion to Nagasaki, a significant industrial center. The bomb detonated over Nagasaki, causing widespread destruction and an estimated 40,000 immediate deaths. This marked the second and last use of nuclear weapons in warfare. The devastating impact of both atomic bombs prompted Japan to announce its surrender to the Allies on August 15th, formally ending World War II. The bombings resulted in a combined death toll of between 150,000 and 246,000 people by the end of that year, including those who succumbed to radiation sickness. The use of these weapons remains a significant historical event. You can find a link to those meal prep containers, along with other great deals, in the description below.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.